And we are getting breaking news of a child who has attempted suicide. He happens to be the son of a minister in Bihar. Following alleged ragging in a school in Gwalior, the Bihar cooperative minister's son has attempted suicide. He has been admitted to a private hospital in Delhi. Bhavtosh Singh with all the details. Bhavtosh, did this incident take place in Gwalior or in Bihar?
Well, the incident happened in a boarding school, in a very prominent boarding school, which is in Gwalior. In fact, the victim in this case was studying in class 9 for past 3 years in this school. Now, according to the family members and friends, they claim that on 20th August, he allegedly he tried committing suicide in one of the hostel rooms, after which he was first taken to a local hospital. From there, he was shifted to a private hospital in South Delhi. Now, he is in the intensive care unit and he's on ventilator. His condition is said to be serious. Now, no case has been registered so far, either by the Gwalior police or by the family members of this boy. The family members claim that they exactly don't know what prompted him to commit suicide, but they have said that they fear that he could have been dragged. In a related development, the governing body council chairman of the school, Jyotiraditya Scindia, also met the parents this afternoon, but the police have not yet started the probe because no complaint has been filed.
Well, the details that are emerging right now, Bhavtosh, you did say that Jyotiraditya has met the parents and the family. But the question is that if he had been in this school for 3 years, why is it that ragging is being suspected as the reason for the attempted suicide?
And in fact, the entire circumstances and events leading to his trying to commit suicide is not very clear. Now, the family members do admit that he was in the school for 3 years. He was in class 9th. He was not in a junior class. He was in class 9th. What they claim is that some of the seniors in his house, in his house, were the one who, in fact, allegedly ragged him. They basically told him not to sit with them. Now, this depressed him a lot, and he might have committed suicide because of that reason. Now, that's what the family members and friends are saying. As far as the police's probe is concerned, because no complaint has been filed by the family members or by any of the friends or even by the police, so no criminal investigation has yet started by the police.